Hi, my name is Miko Baraceros, and this is my reflection in mathematics and communication. First, what is this topic about? Mathematics and communication highlights how math plays a vital role in how we exchange information, especially in our digital world. One of the key applications is encryption, which is the process of using mathematical algorithms to protect data, whether it's a private message, an online transaction, or sensitive business data. Encryption ensures that only the intended recipient can only access the information. So, how do I relate this to my course and my life as a BSIE student? As a BS Industrial Engineering student, I see the importance of protecting data, especially when handling systems, operations, and company processes. In the real world, industries rely on secure communication to transmit sensitive information like employee records, financial data, or production metrics. Understanding how encryption works gives us a deeper appreciation of cybersecurity and data privacy. Even me, personally, every time I send a message, shop online, or log into an account, I'm relying on mathematical encryption to keep my information safe. But for me, GE Math helped me understand that math is not just abstract questions. It has real power in our daily lives. The course opened my eyes to how essential math is in things like data privacy, secure communication, and even digital trust. Also, I would like to add that financial math also helped me in my daily life, like doing computations about my investment. So, how would I describe this course in 3 words? First, it's fun, it's exciting, and lastly, it's applicable.